Good morning, guys. So today is just gonna be a day in our life. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I thought it'd be really fun to just kind of pick up the camera and vlog today. Oakley just went down for a nap. Well, he didn't just go down for a nap. He didn't take a very long nap today. He's not been sleeping well. He is, I think, going through his 4-month sleep regression because he was up all night last night. Like, seriously, every single hour he woke up and was not able to put himself back to sleep. So that was frustrating. He's also to the point now where he flips himself over to his belly and then gets mad that he's on his belly. Sometimes he'll sleep that way, but for the most part, he just gets mad that he's on his belly. So it's been fun. It's been really fun, but he's doing really good. And I'll give you guys a little update on him in just a little bit because some things have changed. But right now I'm gonna go put on some makeup. I'm gonna give Oakley to Andrew and then I'm gonna go put on some makeup and get myself together. So tonight for dinner, we are gonna have HelloFresh. We eat HelloFresh quite often because it's just really easy and convenient. Everything comes pre-packaged, pre-portioned, comes delivered straight to our door. I don't ever have to put on real pants and go outside if I don't want to. It's so nice. So tonight we're having garlic and herb tortelloni, and this time we got the vegetarian box. We usually get the classic or the family, but I could very easily be a vegetarian. Meat is just, it doesn't always appeal to me. So I was really excited that we got the vegetarian options, and you guys, the meals look so good. So I'll show you guys the ones that we got. We actually cooked one last night, which was really, really good. So this is the one that we're gonna have tonight. It is garlic herb tortelloni, and it looks really good. There's tomatoes and zucchini in there. This one just looks really yummy and kind of easy. So we're gonna have that tonight. This is another one that we got. It's cheesy corn tostadas, which also, I mean, look at how good those look. And the base is black beans instead of meat. Right up my alley. And then this is the one we had last night. It's chickpea powered Mediterranean couscous, and this one was seriously so good. It was really cool to try something different, and I will definitely be saving this card to recreate it on my own later. So that is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. But if you guys want to check out HelloFresh for yourselves, I have a link in the description box below that you guys can use, and go ahead and use the code SimplyAllieHF80 for $80 off of your first month of HelloFresh. It's snowing outside. I'm gonna go get Emerson and let her come see it. Emmy, come see the snow, baby.
It's snowing, it's cold.
Yes, it's very cold.
You have to get our jackets on.
Okay. First, we're just gonna look out the window, okay? Baby girl, your hair. You wanna go out there?
Yeah.
It's gonna be really cold. Hold on. Woo, it's cold. Was it cold on your feet? Hey, should we get some shoes? Here come our ducky friends. Every time we come outside, our ducks come running over here thinking that we're gonna feed them. I've only fed them a couple times and I've only fed them corn, but every time they come out here, and every time I come out here, they come running. They're so cute. It's cold out here, duckies. Okay, so we are gonna go upstairs. I hear Andrew and Emmy, they're getting ready for the day. So we're gonna gather ourselves together and go out for a little bit just to get some fresh air and just get a little change of scenery. Is it still snowing out there? It is. It's still coming down.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what honey.
You tire me out just watching you, girl. Can you sing happy birthday to Dad?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Great job.
Good job.
Brother, you think sister's crazy? Is she crazy? Be soft to him. Are you sleepy?
Look.
He's
Look
so
at
handsome.
that.
He's so good looking.
ABCs.
Baby
It's like
sees
a party.
it is. It says happy birthday. That was from your 2-year birthday party.
My birthday cake.
It was from your Minnie Mouse birthday. You remember that?
Yes. I'll put a sprinkle in this one.
I
Red.
have a question. Why do you have sprinkles in your bedroom?
In my bedroom.
Is that a good idea?
Yes.
What is all that down there?
The candies and cupcakes.
I organized the pantry yesterday and these were just sitting in that basket, and so she decided it'd be better to have them in her bedroom, huh? You guys, it is a madhouse these days. Emerson's wild. Oakley's wild. Just kidding, he's not wild. He's not wild. But, is he smiling? See what I mean? Constant. It's constant craziness around here, huh?
Oh, I'm tall.
You're tall, you better be careful. We just bought a box of diapers. We buy them in bulk. And we bought a size 4 for this guy. He's in size 4 now, which is also the same size that Emerson is wearing. I cannot believe it. I don't know if she's little and he's just big or both, but they're both officially in the same size diapers now. All right, let's go. Let's put our shoes on. We're gonna go get some lunch, okay? We have decided that we're gonna have Chick-fil-A for lunch because, you know, it's just one of those days. We've actually been eating home a lot lately, like a lot, so it's kind of a nice treat to get out of the house and go to Chick-fil-A. But we have sat in this line for a good 15 minutes. The line wrapped around the building like more than once. Some days are not the easiest days, and I will be honest, today has not been an easy day for anybody involved, especially me. Just having a day. And normally from Chick-fil-A, I would get like a salad, maybe if I'm feeling fancy, not fancy, but you know what I mean, like if I'm not gonna go for a salad, I'll get like a #1. Today I said, forget it all, and I got a cookies and cream milkshake and a large fry. And I am going to dip my fries in, they gave us 1. The day's going downhill really fast. They gave me 1 buffalo sauce. What you gonna do, Oakley man? Huh? What are you gonna do about it? Should we give them an update on how you're doing? Look how chunky you are. The roly-poly. Hello.
Oh.
Okay, so Oakley went to his 4-month checkup, and he is in the 70th percentile for weight and like the 90th percentile for height. He's a big boy. But they said he was looking really good. So he was on his medicine for his reflux, and then we ran out of it about a week before his appointment, and so he's kicking. Well, now you're gonna be all chill. You were just kicking me. He ran out of his reflux medicine like a week before his next appointment, and so I just stopped giving it to him. Well, obviously, because we didn't have it. and he seemed fine. He didn't have any of his reflux symptoms, so when I went to the doctor, I told her that, and we didn't put him back on it. So at 4.5 months, he is officially off of his reflux medicine. So that's exciting because I didn't want to have him on that for forever or longer than he needed to. So that's nice that he's not on it anymore. Hello! Huh? Oh, you want to play with those?
Look at these sprinkles.
Are the sprinkles on the dresser? Good morning, girl. How did you sleep? Did you sleep good?
You get me out.
You want to get out? Okay. Your boots, are those your new ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These kind of muddy.
No, they're brand new boots.
Oh.
Thank you.
You
I love you.
You want to play with those?
Sure.
Had to clean up these.
That's a great job cleaning up, baby girl. Good job. You want to take it downstairs with us? Here. You take your water and I'll take your basket for you. Hello.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can we carry this?
Yes. This is very heavy.
It is very heavy. Wow. Look at all that snow. Is it a lot?
I'm gonna go.
You want to go out there?
Yes.
What do we need to put on before we go out in the snow?
The big.
You need to put your snow boots on?
Yeah.
And maybe a jacket?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay,
It's heavy.
it's heavy. Use your shovel so your hands don't get cold, okay? Sweet baby Oakley guy is down for his really late nap of the day. It is 6:25 and usually he goes to bed at 7:30, but he couldn't hang. So we are either gonna have a really early morning tomorrow or I'm gonna wake him up and keep him awake for a little bit tonight. Just he'll stay up a little bit later, but he could not hang. He was an emotional little wreck. But I'm gonna make dinner now. I'm gonna make this garlic herb tortelloni. Okay, so here is the bag that it comes in. And then you open it up. And all of the ingredients that you'll need is inside. I'll pull them all out and show you guys. And then this is the cheese tortelloni. This one actually does not have very many ingredients at all. It's gonna take no time, I don't think, to cook, but it's just got some zucchinis and tomatoes, shallot, garlic. This is Italian seasoning, Parmesan, and then some panko breadcrumbs. And then a tip is to save the bag that it comes in. So when you're like prepping veggies or you open a packet, just toss the trash in the bag and then throw this whole bag away at one time, and it makes cleanup super, super fast.
Martin.
Excuse me. Excuse me, that's my dinner.
I'm sorry.
Can you get that shallot out of your bucket and hand it to Mama?
Oh, no, in the...
Hey, we're cooking dinner here, Missy. I need these for dinner, okay?
No, not.
Why don't you go ask Daddy for something to put in your bucket? Say, trick or treat. No, take your bucket. Go up to Dad and say, trick or treat.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
So here is dinner. This is what it looks like, and it is so good. This is tortellini, tomato. This is actually tomato. And then this is zucchini. And then there's panko breadcrumbs on top, Parmesan cheese, and then this like garlic herb butter sauce, and it is so good. So Emmy is already eating hers in her high chair, and then I am gonna have mine. And then Daddy is back there holding Oakley, who is just being a crab today. So he'll eat after I finish eating, and then we'll swap, and I will go give Oakley a bath and probably put him to bed.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Good night, friends.
Good night, friends.
I'm going to bed now.
I'm going to bed now.
Let's say I had a great day today.
A great day today.
Did you eat Chick-fil-A today?
Yeah.
And did you have a snow day?
Yes, snow day.
All of that makes for a great day, huh? All right, I love you. Good night, baby girl.
Good night, snow.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day, and I just realized that I forgot to end the vlog from yesterday. We put the kids to bed and we just like sat on the couch and had ice cream and watched, I think we watched we were really behind on The Bachelor, so we caught up on that, and we just enjoyed the rest of our night. So yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching that video, and I hope you guys enjoyed just hanging out with us and doing our daily, routine, our daily life with us. We love that. We love having you, and we love hanging out with you. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. And follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. And then, if you guys want to check out HelloFresh, remember I have that link in the description box below, and use the code SIMPLYALLIEHF80 for $80 off your first month with HelloFresh. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.